Hello, in front of me I've got Renault ARKANA. In this video I'll show you what is the B mode on the transmission and how to activate it. Transmission B mode is special transmission engine mode, thanks to which the engine increases regenerative power to replenish battery level. To activate the B mode, take a look at the transmission shifter and activate drive mode. Then press button and pull it to B mode. Now, while you are driving and you release the accelerator, the car will automatically brake with the engine to regenerate power. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.